The JBL PartyLight Stick is designed to add a visual spark to any party or gathering. It offers a range of dynamic lighting modes that deliver plenty of visual flair, but is it worth it? Well, it kind of depends on what you're after. The lights certainly look great, I mean you can hold them like a lightsaber, surely that's reason enough to make a purchase, but the music synchronization doesn't quite hit the mark. So, if beat reactive effects are a priority, you might be left wanting more. Still, for anyone looking to create the perfect vibe for their events, the PartyLight Stick has a lot to offer. So come with me as I dive in and see if it's the right fit for your next party, gathering, or D&D session. And before we start, if you could do me a huge favor and click that subscribe button, more reviews and consumer tech videos will be coming throughout the year. Plus, it helps me. We're on a quest for 1,000 subscribers. Come join the team. Anyway, this is what I think of the JBL PartyLight Stick. I've got 2 of them. Welcome to the Tech Shed. Let's start with the price. This isn't the type of light I'd spontaneously buy from Temu or Amazon. It's actually quite expensive. Here's the prices from around the world. Now, to be fair, this is significantly more premium than the more affordable lights you'd get from one of those sites. The one behind me up the top was very cheap, and compared to the PartyLight Stick, the difference in quality is significant and immediately noticeable. So, if you're looking for something a bit better, a little bit more premium, the PartyLight Stick is a good option. You'll just have to spend more, obviously. It's solidly built with a sturdy cylindrical stand that holds the light tube. The tube itself is durable and can handle a few bumps, making it ideal for party settings where, you know, accidents can happen. As mentioned, compared to cheaper alternatives, it has a noticeably more premium feel. Standing just over a meter tall, it features a clean and minimalist design that blends seamlessly into any room. And at just 1.15 kgs, it's lightweight and easy to move around, which is great for setting it up wherever you need. Inside, there are 183 RGB lights arranged to provide 360-degree lighting, ensuring the effects are visible from any angle. At the bottom, there are controls for power and mode selection, and there's a USB-C charging port. One thing I absolutely love is the controls aren't actually on the base, they're on the tube itself. So you can take it out of the base, lay it flat, position it however you want, and even use it as a laser sword. It has an IPX4 resistance rating, meaning it can survive light splashes of water, perfect for outdoor parties where, again, accidents can happen. But I wouldn't recommend leaving it out in heavy rain for extended periods. But sure, a functional design is great and all, but that's a kind of pointless factor if the lights are crap. The good news is the lights here are very good. The RGBs are bright and clearly visible even outdoors on sunny days, but of course, the stick comes into its own in darker environments, kinda like this. The JBL PartyBox app allows you to customize the lights with various modes and colors. These are neon, where bright colors flow down the light; loop, where a single color appears to travel around the tube; bounce, where the lights move up and down essentially; trim, where the lights meet in the middle from both ends; and freeze, which locks the light on a single color. Each mode looks pretty good, with freeze being especially useful as a backlight option. Now, the stick is designed to sync with JBL PartyBox speakers, but unfortunately I didn't get a chance to test this as the feature is limited to specific models like the PartyBox Ultimate, PartyBox Club 120, and PartyBox Stage 320, which I don't have. Basically, you need to look for a JBL speaker with the synchronize button on it, and to be honest with you, I'm not 100% certain, but I believe that means it syncs with the colors of the RGBs on the speaker and has nothing to do with syncing to the audio. video. If this is wrong, or if you've tested this, please leave a comment down below and I'll pin it. For music synchronization, the stick has a sound detection mode that uses an inbuilt microphone to sync with external music or sounds. Unfortunately, this doesn't work very well. Because the microphone is simply reacting to sounds, it's never on beat, and if the beat changes, it takes a while for the lights to adjust. It's disappointing, to be honest, because I would have loved the motion or color changes to sync with the beat of the music I'm listening to for a better effect. Now, it's going to be pretty hard to show that, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. The JBL PartyBox app is simple and intuitive. It connects quickly and provides options to sync with compatible JBL PartyBox speakers, select lighting modes, choose specific colors, adjust light speed and brightness, and toggle sound detection on and off, and turn on and off backlight modes. It's pretty bare bones, to be honest. It's not going to blow you away. Everything works just as it should. Another cool feature is that these don't have to be plugged in. JBL claims they have an 8-hour battery, though I found this depends on brightness settings. I kept the lights at full brightness and got around 6 hours of use, which is still respectable. Charging takes about 3 hours, and the good news is you can use the light while it's plugged in. You also have the ability to turn off features like the backlight and sound detection mode, which can help extend battery life if needed. So, now that we've covered everything, what do I think of the JBL PartyLight Stick? Well, it's clearly a more premium lighting accessory that delivers bright, customizable 360-degree RGB effects, perfect for party atmospheres. Its sturdy, lightweight build and the IPX4 splash resistance make it great for both indoor and outdoor use, which is a nice touch. The lighting modes offer plenty of visual flair, as you will have seen, but the sound detection mode struggles with accurate music synchronization. Yes, it's excellent for ambient lighting, but it falls short for beat-synced effects, which is a big shame. The JBL PartyBox app makes setup easy with quick connections and simple controls over colors, modes, and brightness, and the solid battery life and the option to use it while charging makes it a very practical choice. If you want stylish, versatile lighting for your party, the PartyLight Stick is a great pick. Just don't count on perfect music syncing and understand you will have to pay a bit more. That's been my review of the PartyLight Stick. If you made it this far, I appreciate you sticking with me this long, and if you enjoyed the video, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button? The quest for 1,000 subscribers continues. This has been the Tech Shed. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.